the sheet metal guru, the master of none but one. Under the soffit where the eaves meet the wall, we're adding the shims just to level it all. No room for error, no gap in the plan. Precision is king in the palm of his hand. We fasten the flush panel